Welcome to DIY with Aurea and Loli. Ready, let's make some magic jig.
Dollar Tree pretty much carries these peel and stick all year around. I'm gonna go ahead and pair it with some of my wood rounds. I also have this ivory chalk paint, and I'm going to be giving this wood round one entire coat. After I am done giving this one coat, I came in and I make sure that it was nice and dry. And then this little stencil here, I purchased this at Temu. I'm just gonna go ahead and do the one that says Farmhouse. And as you notice, I'm using a makeup brush because I think that this works a lot better than the regular paint brush.
Wood rounds, wreaths, and farmhouse tricks. It's Wednesday fun, just peel and stick.
So now I couldn't find any stencil that the letters connected. So I came in with a little thin paintbrush and I'm connecting all the letters together. And again, this step here is optional. I'm just connecting this together because I think it looks a lot nicer. And then I have these stickers from Dollar Tree, of course. I'm a little off camera, but all I'm doing is peeling and sticking and just cutting off the excess. I'll be doing that throughout the video. I also have a couple more of these peel and sticks, so I'm just going to go ahead and peel them and put them right here because I thought that it would look a lot better. And then this little sunflower, just going to be putting it right here by the farmhouse. This is turning out so pretty. I think this is my favorite by far. I'm going to be using 3 Jenga blocks just to make sure that this has something to grab on because of the shape of this little pig. So with plenty of hot glue, I'm just going to be placing them right here just like you see. And then I'm going to add more hot glue and then just go ahead and glue it to the wood plaque. I'm using my makeup brush and with black chalk paint, I'm going to be distressing the whole border. And then with some baker's twine, I go ahead on and I create the hook. I was also thinking about adding a little bow to the little pig, but I thought that it would be too much for that. And then I thought maybe some flowers on top, but I said, no, this is good enough because it has the peel and stick and I think it looks nice and less is more. That's what I thought. Let me know in the comment section what else will you add to this plaque, but this is the way it turned out. I hope you like it.
Wood rounds, wreaths, and farmhouse tricks. It's Wednesday fun, just peel and stick. Aurea and Loli are leading today with Tiffany here. Hip hip hooray, making it magic, farmhouse and fun, crafting.
For this next project, I'm going to continue to use wood round. This one is a lot smaller. I'm going to continue to use the same chalk paint and the color is ivory. And we are back with another wood round or Wreath Wednesday. I want to thank Loli for hosting with me every month. And this month guest host is Tiffany with Simply Blessed Crafts. The links are below in the description box, so make sure to go visit them. And on this collaboration, we must create as many DIYs as we desire, either with wood round or wreath, or you could do both. And when you visit my playlist, please make sure to let them know that I sent you. After painting this border with black chalk paint, I have this stencil and I'm going to be taking my makeup brush and filling it in with black chalk paint. And I learned this technique with this brush with Late Night Creations. As you see here, I'm taking this peel and stick. I'm putting it against the wood round, measuring it. I'm going to cut it and then I'm going to peel and stick it right to the bottom of this beautiful wood round. This is turning out so beautiful. I'm going to keep this and I'm going to be placing all of these DIYs in my kitchen. Once I place it where I think it's going to look good, then I come in with my X-Acto knife, removing all the excess peel and stick. And I thought it would need a little bit more embellishment, so I kept putting more leaves around the wood round, and this is turning out so beautiful. I'm gonna be creating with this piece a riser, and I will be putting either candles or anything that I think it looks good. And I'm using these little angels. They are recycled, so I'm just gonna add more hot glue to them, and I am placing them down here in the bottom. This turned out absolutely beautiful, and I'm gonna show you shortly how I decorated them, but let me know in the comment section what you would put on top of here. And of course, I'm painting this in black, and here is the final review. I hope you enjoy it, and if you do, don't forget that big thumbs up.
Wood round spinning wreaths so slick, with pulling sticks and peel and stick. Add a cow.
I decided to go back to the Dollar Tree and pick up another wood round. I removed the tag, and I'm also going to be removing this jewel cord right here. And guess what? I'm going to be using the ivory chalk paint. Of course, I'm going to be giving it 2 entire coats. Once I'm done painting this, I'm going to put it to the side, and then I have this rooster. I'm going to be giving it 2 entire coats with black chalk paint. And I'm going to be disassemble this picture frame. I took out the little chicken. I'm going to give it 2 coats with black chalk paint. Actually, I'm using the ivory once again. And of course, I have more peel and stick. I'm cutting it to size, and I am going to be placing it right on that wood round. So let's go ahead and assemble all this picture frame. This is so beautiful. I'm going to go ahead and add plenty of hot glue, and then I'm going to be placing it right here. This is so beautiful, and it complements the other 2 pieces. And then the little chick with more hot glue, I'm going to glue it right on top of this little rooster here. Once this is completely dry, then I came in with a jewel cord string and created a tiny bow, and that tiny bow, I'm putting it right by the rooster's neck. And look at this, I'm gonna go ahead and distress it the same way that I distressed the other wood round. And this is so beautiful. Look at how gorgeous it turned out. The greenery, I mean, it complements everything else that I created in this wood round. This is absolutely gorgeous. I never thought that it was gonna turn out this good. Well, my dear friends, I hope you enjoyed this video. And if you did, don't forget that big thumbs up, and don't forget the playlist down below.
Thanks for stopping by and watching till the end. Hope you had fun. Come back again. Don't forget to like, subscribe. It's free. DIY with Aurea creativity.